Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's the invisible engine powering today's economy, Hollywood studios, and even celebrity lifestyles. By 2026, AI is reshaping industries faster than anyone anticipated. And it's not just tech companies or Wall Street that are paying attention. Hollywood stars, influencers, major brands are now publicly endorsing AI as the next frontier of creativity and opportunity. From automated content creation to AI-assisted music production, the machines are not only working behind the scenes, they're starring alongside humans in a rapidly evolving cultural landscape. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just suggest movie scripts, writes them with your favorite screenwriters, where it doesn't just generate visual effects, collaborates with directors to create blockbuster scenes that are nearly indistinguishable from reality, where celebrity endorsements aren't just about products, they're about AI tools that help artists work smarter, faster, and more creatively. This is not science fiction. This is happening now. Let's start by understanding the scale of AI's impact. Jobs that were once considered safe are now vulnerable. Accounting, data entry, mid-level managerial roles, even creative positions like graphic design or content editing, being automated at record speed. AI can analyze financial records, generate reports, schedule operations, and even make strategic decisions. In Hollywood, AI tools are now editing trailers, generating realistic CGI characters, and even composing original music scores. The implications are enormous. Companies across the globe are realizing that AI reduces overhead, minimizes errors, and scales operations far faster than human teams ever could. For workers, that means layoffs, role restructuring, and a pressing need to pivot into new roles or upskill rapidly. Economies that fail to adapt risk unemployment surges, wage stagnation, and increased inequality. Conversely, those embracing AI could see productivity gains that redefine what's possible. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. Hollywood is no longer just observing this technological revolution, it's participating in it. Celebrities like Scarlett Johansson, Keanu Reeves have publicly discussed or shown interest in leveraging AI tools in their creative projects. For example, assisted scripts now allow actors to test multiple dialogue variations, optimize emotional impact, and even explore alternate plot lines, all in hours instead of weeks. Visual artists and musicians are also jumping on board. Grammy-winning producers are experimenting with AI to compose complex arrangements, generate soundscapes, remix tracks at speeds previously unimaginable. Social media influencers are using AI to automate content creation, improve video editing, even personalize audience interactions in real time. Essentially, AI is becoming a silent partner in celebrity branding, making it easier for stars to maintain a constant digital presence while experimenting with new creative ventures. But AI's influence extends far beyond Hollywood. In manufacturing and logistics, autonomous robots assemble products, manage warehouses, and optimize delivery routes. Retailers are implementing AI-driven checkout systems and predictive inventory management, reducing the need for frontline staff. In finance, AI analysts can detect fraud, predict market trends, and manage portfolios with greater accuracy than humans. Even customer service roles are being reshaped by sophisticated chatbots capable of resolving complex issues without human intervention. This is both a challenge and an opportunity. AI replaces routine, repetitive, and predictable work, but it elevates roles requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and problem solving. Humans are no longer simply doing the work, they are interpreting AI outputs, making decisions, and innovating at higher levels. And yes, AI is creating entirely new industries. Roles in AI oversight, ethical auditing, and human-AI collaboration are emerging. These careers demand advanced technical skills, adaptability, and strategic thinking. Some workers struggle to keep pace, others find unprecedented earning potential and influence. Even entrepreneurship is being transformed. Small businesses now harness AI to scale marketing, automate inventory, and manage finances with minimal human input. In entertainment, independent creators can produce professional quality videos, music, and graphics using AI tools. This democratizes opportunity, but raises competition. The new question isn't just, what is your idea, but how effectively can you integrate AI into it? Consumer behavior is evolving too. AI enables faster production, cheaper goods, and highly personalized experiences. People increasingly expect instant availability and precision, pressuring businesses to adopt AI or risk losing market share. Companies that successfully integrate AI dominate markets, while those that lag face revenue declines. AI isn't just replacing labor, it's accelerating entire market ecosystems. In Hollywood, this dynamic is evident. Studios now rely on AI to analyze audience sentiment, predict box office trends, and even suggest casting choices based on demographic preferences. generated trailers, posters, and promotional content optimize engagement before a film ever hits theaters. Celebrities participating in AI-driven projects gain not only creative flexibility, but also a competitive advantage in branding and audience reach. To survive in this AI-driven economy, education models must adapt. Universities and vocational programs struggle to keep pace with changing skill demands. By 2026, continuous, lifelong learning may be the standard. Micro-credentials, online courses, and AI-driven skill assessments could replace traditional degrees as the primary gateway to employment. Workers will need adaptability and rapid upskilling to stay relevant in a world where AI accelerates both opportunity and risk. Here's the central insight: AI doesn't just replace work, it changes how we value human labor. Routine tasks are automated, creativity, empathy, leadership, and problem solving are more valuable than ever. In music, AI can generate compositions, humans interpret emotions, arrange harmonies, and create cultural resonance. In filmmaking, AI can generate visual effects, directors and actors craft stories that connect with audiences. The human-AI partnership is not a replacement, it's an evolution. AI adoption has profound economic consequences. Productivity increases dramatically, but wealth may concentrate among AI owners and top-tier professionals, raising inequality. Reduced consumer spending, social unrest, pressure on governments may follow if displaced workers aren't supported. Policies addressing reskilling, economic redistribution, and innovation support will become critical. By 2026, hybrid human-AI roles will likely dominate. Workers will manage AI systems, interpret outputs, and make nuanced decisions AI cannot replicate. AI elevates certain functions while replacing others, creating a new hierarchy focused on collaboration. Humans excel where emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking intersect with machine efficiency. Hollywood is a perfect case study for AI's impact. Consider an AI code directing a scene while analyzing actor performance and audience reaction in real time. AI assists writers in testing alternate endings and pacing, while visual effects teams leverage AI to simulate realistic environments. Celebrities like Chris Hemsworth and Zendaya are already experimenting with AI in personal branding, digital avatars, and interactive fan experiences. This is not only shaping entertainment, it's redefining what it means to be a creative professional. AI also empowers startups and small businesses. A single person can launch a fashion brand, music label, or digital studio with AI tools handling marketing, design, inventory, and customer engagement. AI levels the playing field, but increases competitive intensity. The era of ideas alone is over. Execution with AI is the new battleground. As AI handles production efficiently, consumer demand may shift toward experiences that emphasize human connection. Travel, personalized services, coaching, and entertainment experiences grow in importance. AI manages routine production. Humans focus on the value machines cannot replicate: connection, creativity, and emotion. Happens if AI continues replacing jobs faster than expected. Alternative value systems like universal basic income may gain traction. Governments, corporations, individuals will need to rethink labor, income distribution, and economic incentives to maintain stability. By 2026, proactive strategies will be crucial for ensuring AI-driven growth benefits society as a whole. One thing is certain: AI will continue reshaping the economy at unprecedented speed. By 2026, almost every industry will feel the impact, from finance and manufacturing and entertainment and social media. The future rewards those who adapt, upskill, embrace AI as a collaborator rather than a threat. Creativity, strategy, and value creation are the new currencies. In the Hollywood of 2026, AI doesn't replace stars, it amplifies them. In business, AI doesn't replace workers, it elevates them. And in society, AI doesn't diminish human potential, it challenges us to innovate faster, think smarter, and collaborate more effectively than ever before. The era of AI is here.